Probate. Probate process in estate administration.
In the field of law, probate refers to the judicial process that validates a deceased person's will and oversees the distribution of their estate. This process ensures that the decedent's assets are distributed according to their wishes and that any debts or taxes owed are paid. For example, when an individual passes away leaving a will, the executor named in the will must file for probate in a probate court. The court then verifies the authenticity of the will, authorizes the executor to settle debts, and oversees the distribution of assets to beneficiaries. This process ensures that the decedent's intentions are honored and that the estate is settled legally. In cases where a person dies intestate without a will, the probate court appoints an administrator to manage the estate. The administrator's duties are similar to those of an executor, including settling debts and distributing assets. However, without a will, the distribution follows state intestacy laws, which may not align with the decedent's unexpressed wishes. Probate proceedings can be complex and time-consuming, often involving detailed paperwork and court appearances. To expedite the process, some individuals utilize estate planning tools like trusts, which can bypass probate and allow for a more direct transfer of assets to beneficiaries. Additionally, certain assets, such as those held in joint tenancy or with designated beneficiaries, may not require probate. In summary, probate is a fundamental legal process that ensures the proper administration of a deceased person's estate, providing a structured method for validating wills, settling debts, and distributing assets to rightful heirs.
So, probate means the legal process of validating a deceased person's will and administering their estate. This process involves proving the authenticity of the will, settling any debts or taxes owed by the estate, and distributing the remaining assets to the designated beneficiaries. If no valid will exists, probate laws determine the distribution of assets according to state intestacy statutes. The probate process ensures that the decedent's wishes are honored, and that all legal and financial obligations are appropriately addressed.